Watching everything change in an instant, magical, feeling indestructible. You don't even care what you're thinking. When you don't slow down, it won't sink in on your own. Out there in the great unknown, rolling too fast, 100 on the dash. Tell me what you do, is it bad? Could have been worse, end up in a hearse. Talking to nobody, somebody's bad. And I'm getting proud, temporary fix, now you're living with a guilt. Feel it over and over, get over your shit.
I'm appealing to the warnings and letters to let them know that I'm repeating you. If you're gonna try, you already know.